Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I realize you're probably not finished with these three yet, but I'm going to go over them while you're working because I've got to go purchase my house so that I can roll it onto my new property because it's going to be on wheels and we're going to live in it.
You have the trailer?
We're buying one, yes. All right, so we're going to do 3-digit by 2-digit. I'm not going to tell anybody, but these three problems are on the red cards. So if you decide to watch it, you know that these three problems are on the red cards, and it's problems number 9, 10, and 12. Or no, 9, 10, and 11. 9, 10, and 11 on the red cards. So I'm going to go over this quickly here. We are going to start with this one. Ones place times ones place. 8 times 5 is 40, which means I have 40 ones, which is the same as saying 4 tens and 0 ones. 8 times 8 is 64. So I have 64 tens because I'm in the tens place. 64 tens plus 4 tens is 68 tens, which is like saying 6 hundreds and 8 tens. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 6 is 38. So 485 times 8 is 3,880. I'm done with my ones place. Now I'm moving to my tens place. Since I'm starting in my tens place, that means I don't want to put anything here in my ones place. So now I move to tens place. 6 times 5 is 30. That's like saying 30 tens. So I have 0 tens and 3 hundreds. Because instead of having 30 tens, you'd rather have 3 hundreds in your wallet, because 30 tens would make you sit all cattywampus. Nobody likes that. I do 6 times 8 is 48, plus 3 is 51.
By the way, 7
I
times
have
7
7
played
play
for the
cattywampus
49ers.
in my vocabulary.
6 times 4 is 24, plus 5 is 29. You've done what?
I need to work that cattywampus in my vocabulary.
You do need to work cattywampus in your vocabulary.
By the way, 7 times 7 played for the 49ers. That's how I remember that in my noggin. It is. That's how I remember 7 times 7.
So as long as I did all my math correctly, then the product of 485 and 68 should be 32,980. Let's do this one real quick. 9 times 6 is 54.
7 times 4, I forgot.
It's 54 ones, which means it's 5 tens and 4 ones. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. So 14 tens is the same as saying 104 tens. 9 times 9 is 81, plus 1 is 82. That's like saying 82 hundreds or 8,000s, 200s. So 9 times 916 is 8,244.
Can I do last one?
Next, we're moving to the tens place.
Oh, I finished.
3 times, since I'm moving to the tens place, I have to put a 0 there to hold the place. Then I'm going to do 3 times 6, which is 18. That's the same as saying 8 tens and 100. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. That's 4 hundreds. 3 times 9 is 27. So as long as I did this correctly, did I do it correctly?
It says 8, and I got 2, 8, and 2,844 for this.
Because, 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 1 is 82. So where you made your mistake, I'm not 100% sure.
This is
Did you write the
bouncy.
problem correctly?
Yes.
All right, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7, 15. So the product of that is 35,724. Next, we have the product, or the factor 743 times the factor 74. And since you're both wanting to do it, I'm going to do it. Ha!
But I
This
asked
way
first.
will-
I asked first, by the way.
Ones place, 4 times 3 is 12.
Where's the eraser?
4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 1 is 29. Quit picking on him, Peyton. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3 is 51. And as long as I did my math correctly, it'd be 53,982.
Oh, yay! I got that.
Be kind to one another. Boom, shakalaka, peace
I'm
out,
so
love
kind.
you. God bless.
What's up, man?